Okay, there's one couch cushion, or two arms. Now here's the deal. When I do couches, most people do the entire couches. I just do normally. I'll do the arms and the chairs, and that's normally what I'll do for people unless they want the backs done. I don't try to do the entire couch for someone unless they ask me to. Most people, you're going to have your dirt on your arms and your seats, so that's what I clean. And to be honest, I clean a lot of furniture, and they're happy with that. You'd think they want the whole entire couch clean, but they don't care. Some people do, but most don't. So I give them what they want, and so most of the dirt's gonna fall on the arms or on the seats. And occasionally, if someone was gelling their hair or something like that, they may get something on the back. I'll clean that in those situations. Otherwise, I really don't clean the cushions in the back. I took the cushions off, and I'm not gonna mess with them. Uh, Now, if you want to do couches another way than that, hey, that's cool. But that's how I do them, and that's how I charge for them. So a lot of people hate furniture because it takes so long. It don't take me long because of the way I clean it. I clean seats and I clean arms, and that's typically what I do. And that someone requests me to do more, then I charge a lot more. So anyway, we'll keep with the cleaning. Okay, that's really all I do to them. Now here's the thing: when I clean furniture, I don't guarantee stains coming out. I don't even work at stains. I don't care. I don't like cleaning furniture, so when I clean it, I clean it under the idea that I'm gonna extract water in it and pull water out, and that's it. I don't guarantee if they say, "Can you get the stains out?" Like, I don't know. They may or may not come out. I don't guarantee that. And if they want to call someone else that guarantees that stuff, hey, that's fine, because I'm not into furniture. So if they want to call somebody else that more guarantees stuff than me, that's cool. Here's the here's the dirty water. I don't know how good you can see it. Hang on here. It tends to be leaking out, but okay. But it's murky, so I got dirt out. And you got to keep in mind, I already did the arms and the seats, 2 seats, 2 arms. So if I'd gone over the whole couch, I might pull up more water than that, or even get it darker. But I just don't care. Honestly, I don't, because I just want to do a quick extraction so the customer knew the seats was cleaned, because they just want to sit on a couch that's been where the dirt's extracted. Now, like I say, I used to bonnet clean couches. I've cleaned them with the Dupre steamer, and those things work. But there's the customer perception on furniture. If they don't see dirty water, no matter how good you did it, they just don't think you cleaned it. So, although I'll VLM carpets, and I do not extract on carpets or any of that, but I believe in extracting on any furniture, mattresses, or whatever. Now, if you want to do it different, that's fine, but I did it the other way, where all I did was bonnet cleaned everything. I just don't like doing it on furniture. I don't think the customers believe the process worked. They believe this, even though this is a $125 machine from the store. When they see, you can come in here with a $300, $400 polisher and get the couches looking fresh, but they don't believe it's clean like they do this when they see water in the tank. When I turn the camera off, I'm going to get my customer in here, I'm going to show them the water in the tank, they'll see that it's dirty, and they'll be satisfied just like that. I mean, that's all it takes to work these whole things out with these customers. So anyway, I'll have more videos coming soon. This is it for now. And like I said, I know that the people are going to think, oh, you're using a little Bissell hand tool, you must be cheap. Well, I am cheap when it comes to furniture. I don't care about furniture. I believe it needs extractive, so I'm going to use the cheapest extraction method possible on furniture. If it's cheap, it's cheap. I don't care. You think I care? So anyway, this does the job, and it's adequate. My customers don't mind it, and they don't sit there and look at the machine like, oh, I could have bought one of those at Walmart and done this myself. None of that stuff comes up. All they care about is the furniture's clean, the water's extracted, they seen the dirty water, they know a cleaning happened, and they can go sit on the furniture when it dries. That's all anyone cares about. So that's how it works. But I'll put more videos out in the very near future, maybe tomorrow, maybe Monday, but I got more videos coming on a bunch of different topics. But I figured someone might want to see this. So anyway, and remember, if you're a VLMer, you might think about getting some kind of extractor for furniture. Bonnet cleaning furniture and saying it's done, I don't know. I mean, customers always give me a funny look when I got done and I was packing up to leave. They pay me like they were paying me reluctantly. So if you're going to do this and VLM carpets, that's fine. They don't question that. But the furniture, I mean, they're going to sit on it. They're going to drop stuff that they're going to pick up and put in their mouths, when they drop a Cheetos on there or something. So they want to know their stuff's clean on furniture. I advise, if you're going to do VLM, bonnet cleaning or whatever, get one of these for furniture. I think you'd be better off if you do. But anyway, it's up to you. I'll talk to you again in the next video. Bye-bye.